So now I am in a new file. Okay, so we will start seeing annotate options. Okay, so annotate tab. So all these options we will see one by one. Okay, so for that, like we will have some walls. Okay, if you want to just annotate, like what we can do means like you can always take aligned dimension. So in that case, like you can just click the inner walls like this. Okay, and here and then here. So it is simple. So if you are taking the aligned dimension, and here you can't able to click it. Now what we can do, you can use tab key. So you can use the tab key, then you can able to put, so tab to find the node point or something like that. Okay, again like here and then here, this is like easy. And again here you can find the tab, you use tab key to get the node, then we can see. Then like you can also see what we can do means like you can use tab key. Okay, then like again like here you can use the tab key. So then you can also see the aligned dimension. For all things like you can use only one aligned dimension itself. Okay. Now linear
Okay.
also I will tell you the linear. See, it is like not picking it. Okay, so you need to. So you can just click the outer things. So it is coming with linear. Okay, and again like here and here. See, it is not going vertically down. Okay, so again, I'm going for annotate. Then I am trying with linear. Okay, the tab key and then here tab key. So only you can use tab key to get that one done. Okay, but if I'm going tab key, so again here. So you will get this way only, not the aligned one, because since we are using
Yeah.
the linear one. Okay, and the angular in the sense like you can select the two different things and you can see the angle. Again, like here and here, it is just coming with 90-degree only. Okay, like this. But here we
Okay.
can see the angle. Okay, everything. Okay. So that is like aligned linear and angular. And another thing, like we can also go for linear. See, I'm just going to click here and click here. So it is just continuously coming. So it is similar to dim continuous in AutoCAD.
Yeah.
Okay, if you want to convert this to dim baseline, you can convert edit type. Then you can able to change the. See here we can see the continuous to baseline. We also have dim baseline, dim ordinate. Na? Now it
Okay.
is like baseline. Then we can also go to dim ordinate. All these things we have in AutoCAD. Similarly, here also you can do from the properties. It is just ordinate 0, 16 feet 8 inches, 36 feet 8 inches. But mostly like continuous is better. So select and edit type. So that's why by default like continuous. Okay. Okay then. And another thing, like when you click like this, you can also see the equal symbol. If you are clicking that, equal it will come. So equally it will distribute.
Okay.
Okay, and if you don't want to mention EQ here, what we can do, so go here and you can see the equality display, no equality text, but you can also put value so that the value it will show.
Okay.
So these things from here you can able to modify. Okay, and another thing like here, if you are just picking this thing. Okay, so we don't have any leader coming there. Okay, leader tick mark. Okay, and we can also modify all those things and all. Okay. This is for leader, okay, but here we don't have leader. But here when you, okay, what we can do, just here we can, okay, that is for leaders, not for the dimensions, okay. Okay, then like we can also go for radial diameter and arc length and all, okay. So I'm going for wall, okay. Then like I can see, I can go this way. Okay, so we have like this. So now we can go for radial. So you can see the radius. Then another thing, like we can also go for diameter. So if I'm putting outside the outside diameter, it will come. So you can see diameter symbol, radius symbol, and you can see the arrows, how it is coming, or it is showing. All these things we can modify from edit type also. But we can also go for arc length. Arc length, you can just click like this. This is the only way. I'm just clicking outside and also the edges here. See, if I'm just going here, so click here and click here, then only you can see the arc length inside. This is how like you should have the arc length. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then the arc length also here it is showing. Okay. Okay. What we can do is like now you can go edit type all under one only na. So here you can see. So tick mark the how it is going to affect everything. See center symbol and then here. See you can able to see here all these things underline if you want italic bold. Then when you apply, then automatically you can choose whatever you want here, the width factor and also opening height. So all these things we can also change the sizes and all. Even the font, what font you want, like if you want Verdana apply. So everywhere it is just coming with. This is for the text, okay, okay, and the text background transparent, okay. But if you want opaque, you can also put opaque where it will be useful. So if you have the floor and all. So for example, SD, okay, now I'm having floor. Okay. See now you can able to see it is like transparent opaque.
Okay.
So you can go here and you can able to see here the transparent and opaque where it is text now we are discussing. So here opaque. So transparent. Now you can see transparent means like this. Okay, but you can again go back to the hidden line. Okay. All you can just change from here. That is for graphics and also for text. And you can also change the color if you want something else. For example, okay, then apply everywhere it is red color. Okay, and here also like you have read convention up then left like you have some patterns. Okay, accordingly the it will come. Okay,
Okay.
and the primary unit, alternate units also if you want you can put. So primary unit like here like weights and fractional inches. Okay, but like alternate unit none right, but I can also go for a right side and I'm going for a meter. If it is going for meter decimal places, I will go for two decimal places. Symbol M. Okay, suppress trailing zeros and then show plus for positive values. Use digit grouping. Everything also you can put apply. You can see in between like it is also telling since we are putting plus symbol now, so that's why like it is also positive values. Positive values no need. Negative values maybe like you will get. See, it is just coming right, okay. But suffix and prefix, we can also put like this, whatever the braces you want. Okay.
Okay.
And the equality text, you can also put your own things, whatever you want here, so that there it will come accordingly. Okay. Even the formula and all, like you can able to change it, but these are all the advanced things. Don't do it. Whatever we have is correct only. Okay. Then okay, click OK. So this is how like we got, and then here we can also select and edit the thing. This is for the, see this one, the angle one. Again, for that also we can go for a primary unit, alternate units and all. Okay. So for this, I'm just making if it is like apply. So you can see the angle ones and all. It's in green color. But and also for this, for diameter separately coming. Okay. So you can see here. So you can change all these things. I mean, okay. Then
Okay.
like if you want bold, italic, underline, and here also you can see alternate units not, but the diameter symbol that also you can put your own symbols if you want. Before na, so before value or after value, all these things also we can put apply
Mhm.
so that like it is getting applied. And the same also we can go for radius. So we have separate style and we can duplicate and we can modify also. I'm directly modifying. Better you can duplicate. No need to like disturb the parent one. See here you can see R, but before value. Yeah. You can put after value means like it will come after. Okay. Okay. Now you got dimension how to modify all those, right?
Yes.
Okay. So align linear, angular, radial, diameter, arc length. Okay. Then we can also go for spot elevation. See, if I'm just going to spot the elevation, see, this is the zero elevation. Okay. But if I'm putting somewhere here, somewhere on top of the wall, can you see why it was showing 4? Because the cut plane was 4. That's why when you are putting door, the door was visible like this. So the cut plane window also visible because of the WN for window, DR for door. So you can see. So that is the when I'm putting the top of the wall, right?
Yeah.
It is like showing the 4. Okay, that is the spot elevation. And spot coordinate also we can go for. For example, if you want to put the coordinate for it, so as per the location, whatever we had, so it is coming that coordinate northeast, everything. Okay.
Okay.
And you can also see the leader shoulder, whatever you want here, and you can also change all these things, edit. So it is also arrow filled 20-degree, right? We can also change to 30-degree if you want. Then you can able to see how it is coming. The line weight and all you can change it. Okay. The survey point, based on the survey point, it is coming. I will tell you the survey point and the base point and all later. From site, we can able to change or assign those things. So spot elevation, okay. Then if you are putting a crosshair, only crosshair it is coming. So otherwise the target field, okay, whatever these things you can change. Okay, and again you can also change to different color. Okay. And you can see here all these primary units, and you can also change north indicator, south indicator, north or south indicator, north only, east or west, east only. Okay, all these things it's showing here. Okay, so like this, like we have spot elevation, spot coordinate, the spot slope. Okay, but if I'm just spotting the slope here, see no slope.
Yeah.
Okay, but because we don't have slope there for the thing, so if I'm just going here and if I'm just changing, or if you are just going for a roof, for example, go for roof by footprint. Yes. Okay, then you can put it. No, here it is like attached so that it is attaching. So now like we can able to show the slope, okay, in the level 2. Level 2, the roof is visible, right? Okay. Now you can go to annotate and spot slope. See, can you see how the slope? This is like
Yeah.
because of the roof. Okay. But floor also, if you have slope to floor, then you will get Otherwise no slope is coming. Okay, these are all the spot elevation, spot coordinate. This might be useful in the elevation view. Okay, so you can go to you can use all these things from the elevation. So remove elevation, east, double click. Now you can see, right? So for this kind of thing, like spot elevation, if you want to spot this elevation, see, then like annotate spot coordinate. If you want to spot coordinate, then the spot slope also you can do here. See, it is just showing. See, if you're putting there, it is showing that slope. You can see that, right?
Yes.
Hmm. So that like you can see, you need to click, then only it is coming. Okay. Okay. So now are you okay with all this dimensional tools and modifications and all? And if you want to show the
Yes.
slope in a different way, how you can show? It is like you can also go to edit type. Then we can also change the slopes to be visible in the units format. In units format, it is rise per 1 foot. Now you can also put a 1:2 ratio. See, it is coming only this way. In another way, like you also have there. So ratio is to 1. But you need to put that figure there. And you need to put the symbol. Then only it will come. See, 0 is to 1. This kind of also we can use, right? See, 1 is to 2. That one is correct. First one. 1 is to 2 slope. So here. But by default, it is having rise per 12 inches. Okay. All these things we can do changes from there. Edit type. Okay. Then I can go to the site, double click it, and you can able to see here 2 points. One is the base point. I'm just moving the base point, and then this is the survey point. So I'm just base point. I'm just putting this is the base point for our project. So you can see accordingly it is just changing. See, you can see accordingly it is changing, right? The north, south, east, west. The survey point also you can able to see here it is coming. Okay.
Okay.
But like we also have a true north and project north. Okay. So for that, like what we can do, like nowadays, like we can able to see that symbol here itself they are providing. Where see you can see here the true north, the symbol here. Okay. Okay, but like that it was not showing in the site. Okay, so if you want to insert your symbol, annotate symbol, symbol load family, then like you can able to find. If it is not provided, then you need to download that libraries. Okay, but I have 2020 version. I will go for it. So imperial annotation. It will be an annotation, right? So I
Yeah.
can go to the see north arrow too. So north arrow. This I will take open. It's upgrading to the newest version. Then if I'm just putting here, okay, this is by default. Upside is north, down is south, right is east, left is west. Okay, but like if you want to rotate this north to some way, like so for that like reference line I'm drawing. I'm taking the model line. I'm just drawing like this. So this you want to rotate to this direction. Okay. So that angle and all, if you want, like you can able to make, then like you can rotate. How you can rotate? So, but before that, like you need to go to properties and you can able to see orientation project north, but you need to put true north. Okay. Then we can go to manage. Then we can able to change here. So here you can see all these things, and also see here the third option, uh, rotate true north. Okay, rotate true north, and you need to place that first. Okay, so I can place here. So I can just this is the north na, so I'm just rotating this to this way. Okay, but line it will rotate also. Then what we can do means like we can delete it. Now this is what the how like we rotate it. This is what the true north of the project. So if you're
Okay.
looking this way, like you, it will be confusing for you. That's why it will not be showing the true north in the rest of the things. Rest of the thing, it's like a project north. So project north always like in a rectangle. Upside is north, downside is south, right is east, left is west. So it's easy to work with, na. So you can place door and all easily.
Yeah.
Okay, but only in the site we can able to show the true north, the project north. Even in the 3D view, if it is like a true north, it will be difficult to work with. But now if you're putting top,
Yeah.
see, it's like project north. But you can see
Yeah.
here, the true north also you can see. But the front view and all, like it will be common only. Only the northeast, southwest, but the cube, it was always like normal only. That is the true north and project north. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then like here we can also put the thread number. Yesterday we seen right the staircase. Okay. So if I
Yes.
want this way, uh, we can also make this kind of stair. I mean, okay. Then
Mm.
you can able to finish it. Then you can modify actually. Just for example, I was putting. Okay. Okay. Now we have a stair like that. Like you can see in the 3D view also. But in the 3D view, it was not showing, right? Why? Because like we have roof.
Yeah.
So either you can able to hide it. You can just go here and you can click this icon and you can able to put the hide element. You can see how it was looking in the shaded mode ST. Okay, and if you want to remove the hide button, reset temporary hide or isolate. Okay, then I can go here. Okay, now I can go to annotate and I can go for a thread number. Okay, now it is asking a reference line of a star. Okay, see you can just click the reference line so that it is coming with the numbers. Totally, we have 18 numbers of steps. That is like whatever we are doing such things, so everything it will be under annotate.
Okay.
Okay, thread number. Okay, and if you want to put your text and all, like you can just go here and you can able to put the text. So this is a residential project. Okay, and you can also add this way. So this is a peculiar corner, whatever you want, just for the things. Okay, okay, and we
Okay.
also have this kind of things. See, this is a
Yeah.
this is a costly door, like that. Whatever you want, just for example, I'm telling. Okay, okay. Now, like when you select here and again, you can also change all these things and the attachments and all. You can change it. You can also put bold, italic, underline. You can change the colors if you want. See, everywhere it is also getting changed. The text things. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
And the
Okay.
check spelling also we have. If you have some, for example, if you are just putting okay, so now if I'm going for check spelling, see it is telling, so peculiar it's not correct. Okay, so we can peculiar, See here we have no peculiar. So you will get some suggestion also.
Yeah.
Peculiar. Okay. Then you can change it. Peculiar, and then this is like a corner change. So this is how the spell check it will work. Similar to WordPad, MS Word and all. Find and replace also we can do. So I can go for a find and replace residential. I can put house. Then find next. It is coming now. So now you can able to replace close. This is house project. Okay, but when you do so, like the thing, it is normal text only. We did without leader. Yeah, I forget it. So that normal text become residential become house. Can you see that? Find and
Yeah.
replace. Okay, so now you can see dimension and text we completed. Now, so rest of the things we will see one by one also. Okay, and if you want to show the star path, you can also annotate it. See, stair, pick a star to place the star path. If it is already star path, then it might not come. Okay. Okay, that is for the star path. It's already there. That's why. Okay. Then we can also go for tag by category. So tag by category, we can able to see here it is coming door tags. Okay, but that is like one by one, like you can able to tag. See, this is the wall tag. See, wherever you are putting, automatically the tags will come. So that is tag by category. But tag all in the sense like it will automatically tag. For example, I can just put a D, or you can just go for door now by yourself. You can select. So door tag alone and window tags also I was putting. Then you apply. So you can see the doors and window tags automatically coming. So door are having 101, 100 and 100 like that. But no, normally Windows it is having the same window in the sense like it is just coming, but it is not coming with tag. So then again you can able to tag all. Then we can able to put window tags. So apply. So if you're putting help, it will go to the online platform.
Okay.
So can you see that
Yeah.
like window tags, door tags? It is coming with increment numbers 100 and 101 all, but here it is coming with the same window means same number it will come. If I'm just taking some other window, for example, okay, then in that case, once you complete, then you can put tags completely. Okay, so annotate, so tag all, so the window apply. So you can see that is different number, this is different number.
Okay.
So what it will mean when you are putting W1, so all similar thing it will change to W1. Okay, so
Okay.
that like it is also good. So W2. So then you can have the legends there. So this way like you can do. But the same if you are doing here, so D1. See, it is like separately you can able to put D2 like this. But the same door like we are separately doing because of the door family. So but when you are going here, edit family, and then you can go to the floor plans. No, but this is for the door family, na. So we need to select the tag, not the door. This is to modify the doors. That RFA means like family file. That RVT means like Revit file. Okay, so we need to select the door tag alone. Use tab key, then you select the tag alone. Okay, then we can also try to edit from here itself. It is like leader. We don't have any leader. Okay, but like edit family. Okay, there we can able to see what they given. That's why it is coming increment. Okay, so here you can see edit label, and this is the mark only they are giving, right? You can able to put a type mark. Okay, then load into project. Then you can able to see the same type only over in the existing version. See, same type it is coming. So now if you are just changing anything here, so D1, similarly everywhere also it will change. You got the point now
Yeah. Yeah.
because of the labeling. Okay. So now you understood tag by category, tag all options also. Okay. These are all
Yeah.
for a Revit structure. And the rooms we already seen na, so the same only. So yesterday I was telling color scheme na, so from where like room tags automatically coming. Here we don't have room na, it will not come. If you have room, then we can have room tags. So I can go here and then I can go for room. Then I can just put like this. We have room, okay. Then if I by default you are just deleting it. So but room is there. In that case, like we can go to annotate and we can go to room tag and you can able to put the room tag again. Okay, because we have room already there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Okay, we will see the detail line, revision clouds and all separately. Okay. The keynote
Okay.
also I will tell you. Even we can able to create the user defined keynote from the notepad that we will see later. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so here in the annotate tab, like what we have is like a keynote. Okay, so keynote, like we can also go for element material keynotes and all. See, element keynote is something like it will come automatically for elements. Okay,
Okay.
and you can able to select what is what it is. Like you want to go for walls, then you can just go here and you can able to select. It was like masonry and whatever it is. So you can just have these are all the predefined keynotes. See lintel sill. So these are all for the documentation purpose. Okay, in the section views, elevation view, you can able to show all these things, keynotes. Okay, okay. So that is what the element keynote. Actually, like so we should select correctly. If this is not the sill or lintel level, now that's why you're not selected. For example, I told you. Okay, but like in the keynote, like I can go for keynote settings. In the keynote settings, by default, it is taking the family things, okay, automatically. But we can able to take from the browse also. See here, like it is having its own keynotes, okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay. But even we can also go to absolute. Then like we can also go to the documents. I already created something, or we can also create now. So notepad. So D1. So it is like 3 feet across 7 feet. So D2. So 4 feet across 7 feet, for example. Okay. Then Control S. Do keynotes. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, save it. Okay, now like you can able to go for documents. Then open. Okay, so then click OK. That one it was loaded. Okay, successfully. Now you can go for user keynote and you can able to select. For example, here I want. Okay, then it is coming D1. You can put. Okay. Then another thing like again I can go. This is how like we can create our keynotes and we can able to use here. So user keynote again like I was putting this
Yeah.
as a okay. So D2 for example. That is actually window for example I'm telling. Okay, okay. But here if you want to display like here like a keynote number, a keynote text, whatever you want. It is just displaying keynote text and whatever
Mm-hmm.
the way you want. Even here like you can able to put small if you want. So all these things you can
Okay.
able to do so. Okay. That
Okay.
is like a keynote and a user keynote. That one how I did. Okay. Okay. Then we have detail lines and the region and all. Okay. So what we can do means like you can go to view, then we can create a drafting view. So you can just name it and you can also put the scale you want, then you can create it. Then the drafting view, it will come separately in the project browser. See here it is coming in the coordination drafting view. Okay. So here, if you want to show some detailings and all, so you can able to draw using these things. In Annotate also we have like detail lines and all. So only with the detail lines you can able to draw in the drafting view. So you can't find anything in the architecture or something. Okay. So for example, like if you want to show the sections, okay, something like this, if you want to show, then you can take Annotate detail line and all, and you can also go for filled region if you want. So filled region, and then I can go for a click like this. So it is just coming with some filled region. You can see the color, it was different. Okay, it is like a diagonal cross hatch, but maybe the scaling and all, like it was different. Okay,
Okay.
so you can able to see the square feet also coming, but edit type, see diagonal cross hatch, and you can also select
Mm-hmm.
all these things. Okay,
Okay.
if it is like concrete. Okay. But in the concrete, if you're going edit, then you can also see the scale. The scale also you can able to import if you want put 10. Okay, then when you put apply, you can see now. Before it was not visible, right? Now it was visible because you need to change the scales. Okay, got the point.
Yes.
That is from the region and then masking region like this also like I can show you. So if you have like this is also like you can able to see the square feet and all. We can able to bring to front. See, you can see this is like
Mm-hmm.
hiding something because I put bring to front.
Mm-hmm.
So you can also just have like this. This is the filter region and masking, both the difference you have. See, now you have something like this. If you are just selecting and then send to back, then the back it went. So this is the difference between filter region and masking region. Okay.
Okay.
Then we can also go for insulation. See insulation, and I can go here. Uh, See, it is just the insulation. So if you want to show something like insulation, only this way, nothing else. Like you can change the sizes if you want. If you are just changing, see, it was just changing this to this way. Okay, but you can also change the width if you want. Okay, that way only, like we can use the insulation only for showing insulation. Something if you're putting, it should not be empty, na, in the section or something
Yeah.
like. Okay, that one. Okay, the revision cloud is completely depends on the sheets that we will discuss later, not now. Now everything in the annotate,
Okay.
like you are okay with, right?
Yes.